In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this tailgate molding on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Using a T30 socket, take these bolts out. Good. Now you can peel this off. I'm going to use a trim tool, but also a heat gun in the area where it's sticking pretty good. Just heat it up. Just move around a lot, back and forth. Here it goes. It's starting to peel easier. Go, peel it off. And we'll go back and just peel this off. You can use a scraper. I'm just going to use some adhesive remover. Let this soak for a little bit, and then we'll just scrape it off. All right, that's all cleaned up now. With the new one, there's double-sided tape. You want to peel back on the backer. Peel up on this, and I'll just peel up on the other end as well. All right, that's good. I'm going to slide this in position. We don't really want to push down on it yet. You don't want to stick it. But you definitely want to be able to pull that off after. Raise this up. Get it over the screw holes. All right, that's over all the screw holes. Screws started. Now tighten these down. Just snug. And you can pull the rest of the backer off for the double-sided tape. Peel that off. And then just push this down. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.